Perfect for entertainment on the go, the ViewSonic M1 Portable WVGA LED projector delivers power and performance in a portable package. Weighing less than 2 pounds, this palm-sized projector delivers convenient, big-screen entertainment wherever you want. Bring it from room to room in your home, or take it outdoors for a movie night in your backyard or your next camping trip. Setup is easy. The integrated Smart Stand rotates 360 degrees, so you can place the projector at nearly any angle when you're ready to watch. The Smart Stand also doubles as a lens cover that automatically powers on the projector when open and powers it down when closed. An integrated micro SD card slot and USB Type-A reader port allow you to share documents, videos, and other multimedia without having to connect to a PC. And for fast data, audio, video, and charging over a single cable, there's a USB Type-C port, which means you can plug and play media from your smartphone or other mobile device. Dual Harman Kardon speakers provide crisp and clear sound, while a short-throw lens can display large images from short distances. The LED light source provides over 30,000 hours of usage time, and a built-in battery provides up to 6 hours of power, so you can enjoy movies and videos without the hassle of wires or cables. So no matter where you go, the M1 projector delivers an immersive multimedia entertainment experience. To learn more, visit ViewSonic.com.